Hello everybody, I'm Mike Santora, Managing Editor for Design World Magazine, and I am coming to you from the HP booth at IMTS 2022. Today I am here with Tim Weber from HP to talk a little bit about what they're featuring at the show this year. Thanks for being with us, Tim.
Hey, thanks, Mike. So my name's Tim Weber. I head up R&D for the HP Metal Jet solution. My team is split between Spain and the west coast of the United States. We actually announced 4 years ago that our intention to get into this. And 4 years ago, we actually introduced our Alpha printer. It was actually the little brother of this particular machine. We ended up placing a number of units at CMs and OEMs, because at the time, we recognized that, if I can be so humble, we're the world's best printing company, but we didn't know too much about making metal parts or sintering or what have you. And so we partnered with the best and have learned a ton about how to take their needs, how to solve their problems from a metal manufacturing standpoint and turn that into a machine that is manufacturing ready. And so that's basically what we're introducing today. It's now available, so if you have a PO, we can send you one.
And Tim, can you tell everybody where they can find out more about this type of technology online?
Absolutely. So if you go to hp.com, where you can buy a PC or a printer, somewhere there is a link to 3D, and you can burrow down. You can find the Metal Jet literature, you can find our material data sheets, you can find information on the S100 here and the entire system that we're providing. There's also application engineer contacts in there, and that's probably the best place if you have interest. And if that doesn't work, you can contact me at tim.weber@hp.com.
And of course, for more videos like this, you can go to www.designworldonline.com.